What if one of the cutest pieces in your closet started out hanging in the men's section? Today on Ms. Angela Sawyer, we are diving into upcycled men's shirt ideas turned into clothing women can actually wear. And some of these transformations completely surprised me. I was scrolling through Pinterest and found so many creative ideas where ordinary men's button-up shirts and oversized shirts were transformed into stylish clothing pieces that looked like they came from somewhere completely different. Every idea I'm sharing today was found while scrolling Pinterest, and I have the Pinterest board linked in the description so you can check out the inspiration and patterns for yourself. Some of these ideas are soft and feminine, some are trendy and fun, and some honestly made me stop and think, hold on a minute, that used to be a men's shirt? It is amazing what can happen with a little creativity, a pair of scissors, and a sewing machine that suddenly decides it is auditioning for Project Runway. As you watch, I want you to vote in the comments for your favorite transformation because once we hit 100 votes on a favorite, I might recreate it in my own Ms. Angela Sawyer style with my own twist. There is something really satisfying about taking something overlooked and transforming it into something completely different. Because creativity has a funny way of finding beauty where people least expect it. If you've ever walked through a thrift store and seen rows of men's button-up shirts hanging quietly on the rack, it's easy to overlook them, but once you start looking with a creative eye, they turn into one of the most powerful hidden resources in fashion. A men's shirt is already halfway to becoming something new because the structure is already done. The seams are in place, the fabric is cut, and details like collars, cuffs, and buttons are already built in like design features, waiting to be reimagined. Instead of seeing an oversized, outdated shirt, start seeing raw material with built-in potential. These pieces are perfect for upcycling because they give you freedom without starting from zero. You can reshape them into fitted tops, dresses, layered pieces, or experimental designs without having to buy expensive yardage or draft everything from scratch. What makes them even more valuable is how forgiving they are. If you make a mistake, you are not wasting precious fabric. You are learning on something already secondhand and full of character. And that is where the real magic begins, because creativity feels less intimidating when the base piece already exists. You are not just sewing, you are transforming something forgotten into something intentional. And that shift alone changes how you see the entire thrift store experience. It also ties into a more sustainable way of creating fashion, because instead of relying on new fabric production, you're extending the life of something already made, which reduces waste and encourages more thoughtful design choices. There is something grounding about working with a piece that already has a past life. It feels like you're continuing its story rather than replacing it. And once you start pairing these shirts with simple sewing tools like a machine, fabric scissors, and measuring skills, you realize how accessible transformation really is. You don't need a professional studio. The thrift aisle becomes a fabric library. Once you start applying this mindset, thrift stores stop feeling like shopping and start feeling like sourcing creativity. Every men's shirt becomes a starting point instead of a finished idea. And suddenly you're not just buying clothes, you're collecting possibilities. A simple striped button-up can become a cinched waist blouse. An oversized shirt can turn into a flowy dress. And combining multiple shirts can create patchwork designs that feel completely custom. What makes this fun is that inspiration is everywhere, especially when you scroll Pinterest and start noticing how many variations exist from the same basic shirt idea. If you want extra guidance, there are tutorial videos linked in the description that walk through simple transformations step by step so you can follow along at your own pace. You'll also find helpful tools linked at the bottom of the description, like sewing machine essentials, cutting tools, and other supplies that make upcycling easier and more enjoyable. These small upgrades can make a big difference when you're learning and experimenting. As you keep going, your confidence builds, and each thrifted shirt starts to feel like a creative challenge instead of a risk. Some people even turn this into a small side income by selling their upcycled pieces online or at local markets. Over time, you stop focusing on perfection and start focusing on expression. And that is where your style really begins to form. What once felt like an old oversized shirt becomes a potential boutique piece in your hands. Keep exploring and trying new ideas because every project teaches you something new about your creativity. And if you're enjoying these transformation ideas, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this so you don't miss what's next. There is another video coming right after this one packed with even more inspiration, so watch that next, and I'll see you there.